Here we go. Hail the Lamb, what brings of peace, hail the Son of righteousness, light and light to all he brings, blessed in his praise. I give thanks his glory, God, for them that no more may die, born to praise the sons of God, born to give their second birth. Hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King. Okay, before we do the last song, Joy to the World. So what the readers are going to read what Joy to the World is all about. Now, wait, I want to say something before we go to the next verse. Joy to the World is not a Christmas song. It's a song about the time when Jesus is going to rule for 1,000 years on this earth. And when he does that, Satan is going to be thrown into hell for 1,000 years. And not one person is going to die during that 1,000 years. Not one wind, not one leaf, not one tree. Nothing's going to die. The curse is going to be off the world then. And you listen to this song. And we're going to be there. And what are we going to be doing with Jesus in that 1,000-year reign? Somebody tell me. What are we going to do? What? We're going to be helping, just like the angels are helping now. We are going to help Jesus during that 1,000-year reign. Isn't that marvelous? And you know what? I'm telling some of my boys here, you better be real good, because you might be able to rule 10 cities during the 1,000-year reign. If you obey God, read your Bible every day, pray every day, and who is Jesus? Jesus is God. It's God. So let's sing that next verse. No more let's sin. Let's sing. Others and sorrows grow. No more to give us the ground. May God soon lay His blessings down. Far as the curse is found, far as the curse is found, far as the curse is found. Last verse loud. He who rules the world with truth and grace, and makes the creatures true. The Lord is love, His righteousness, and wonders of His love, and wonders of His love, and wonders of His love. Okay, now we're going to sing a special song to Jesus. The Lord is my shepherd. And this side is going to start, and this side is finished for a second. Boys, listen now. If everybody got it on the last sheet of that one page. Nothing more. Okay, here it is. Okay, now remember, this side's going to start first, and when they finish, Jesus, okay? Here we go. The Lord is my shepherd, I walk with him always. He leads by still waters, I walk with him always. The Lord is my shepherd, I walk with him always. Always by still waters, I walk with him always. The Lord is my shepherd, I walk with him always. Always, always, I walk with him always. The Lord is my shepherd, I walk with him always. Always, by still waters, I walk with him always. Always is my shepherd, I walk with him always. Always, by still waters, I walk with him always. Always is my shepherd, I walk with him always. Always, always, I walk with him always. Always, always, I walk with him always. Now hold your hands. And we're going to tell Jesus, I love you. Happy birthday. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. I love you, Jesus. Happy birthday. Now, I think you can. We're going to do the first line leader. First line leader. You're the leader. The birthday boy is the leader.